Good evening and namaskaram, everyone. This is Shobana Sujit Kumar, founder director, SR Fine Arts and Krishna Geetam Performing Arts, San Francisco Bay Area. It is indeed an honor of moment of pride, honor, and gratitude for us. We are celebrating our 9th anniversary. I would like to welcome the wonderful, efficient, vibrant committee members of the organization, President Sri Ravi Ranganathan, Vice President and Treasurer Jay Sri Raja, Secretary Vidya Sanandan. Please give them a big hand. Without their support, we wouldn't be able to see so much of success. I'm extremely happy to be associated with them for over a period of 9 years, and I share a friendship with all of them. I would like to take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to these three pillars of strength. Off to Sri Ravi Ranganathan, President, for the welcome address.
Thank you, Shobana. Dear friends and Rasikas, it gives me great pleasure to welcome today's special guest, senior musician and guru Kalaimamani Srimati Geeta Raja, and guest of honor, Bay Area senior musician and guru Srimati Anu Suresh for SRFA's 9th anniversary celebration. I welcome all of you who are watching this celebration. Let me take this opportunity to share some thoughts about SRFA's 9 years of musical journey. Srimati Shobana Sujit Kumar started this organization 9 years ago. SRFA was started to give a platform for young Carnatic musicians, upcoming and learning students. I have been associated with her and this organization almost from the beginning, and I am very happy to be part of this journey. Started in a simple way with 17 concerts in 2012, it has grown slowly and steadily, supporting not only Bay Area musicians, but also youth and young adults from all over the USA. Through these 9 years, we had excellent support from Bay Area gurus and gurus from all over the USA and from all over the world, more so especially from India. I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of them. Last year, we went into a pandemic situation. Though we were and still are in the pandemic situation, music has no lockdown and no boundaries. So last May, we went online with a COVID-19 Prarthana series, followed by a summer fall online series. We ended 2020 with 301 online concerts and continued the series into 2021. We have completed more than 400 concerts. We can say that this pandemic situation has been a blessing in disguise for SRFA because we were able to provide a platform for hundreds of enthusiastic Carnatic and Hindustani musicians from all over the world. Before the pandemic situation, we had many live festivals like Yuvatarangini, Pallavi Festival, Anniversary, Sangeetotsavam. Hopefully, soon we will be able to go back to those live concerts and festivals. But online or offline, we cannot miss celebrating SRFA's 9th anniversary. So we are here for that. Now, I would like our Vice President Srimati Jayashree Raja to talk about the 9th anniversary festival. Over to Jayashree.
Namaskarams. Thank you, Ravi. We started the 3-day 9th anniversary festival concerts this morning. We had a Hindustani vocal concert by Shishir Rao from London and a Carnatic vocal concert by Shardul Krishna Kumar from New Jersey, accompanied by Krishnajit Rajesh Khanna and Sridhar Parthasarathi. We have 2 more vocal concerts lined up as a part of these celebrations. Tomorrow, Saturday, April the 24th, we have a concert by Chinmayi Bhatt from Mangalore. And the day after tomorrow, Sunday, the April 25th, we have a concert by Madhuri Kaushik from Chennai. Please watch and support all these musicians. We are continuing the 2021 with a better vision to the continuing pandemic situation, as many of our folks are getting vaccines and hope to be out of this soon with Bhagavad Sankalpam. Having said that, SRFA will be continuing with our online performances from performers across the globe. We will be reviewing the scenario every month and be continuing as per the norms and regulations that will be prevailing then. We thank all of you for the excellent support that you have shown us for these live, offline, and online concerts over the last 9 years. Without your encouragement and participation, we would not have been successful at all. Thank you for all this warmth and support. We also take this opportunity to thank all the performers, their parents, and the gurus for ensuring that the directions are followed so that all the live concerts went smoothly. Now, on to Shobana, and thank you.
Thank you, Jayashree. Namaskaram, Geeta ji. We are extremely happy and honored for having accepted our invitation to be chief guest for our 9th anniversary. Geeta ji and I connected in 2012 after the inception of SRFA. I would like to share some memories which I fondly recall about her. She presided for SRFA's first concert in May 2012. On the day of the event, we had technical difficulties and the program was slightly delayed. Geeta ji patiently waited and listened to the whole concert and spoke after that event. I would like to applaud her for that. Ever since we have been in touch, she has also performed in SRFA in June 2013, accompanied by Bay Area senior musicians and gurus, Srimati Anuradha Sridhar on the violin and Sri Sriram Brahmanandam on the mridangam. I was lovingly welcomed to their home when I visited Chennai a few years ago. I thank Geeta ji and Raja uncle for their affection. Her students have performed in our online series. We are thankful to her for that. A brief profile about Kalaimamani Srimati Geeta Raja. Srimati Geeta Raja is a disciple of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Srimati Brinda and an acclaimed and widely traveled Carnatic vocalist. As a representative of the Brinda School of Music belonging to the Veena Dannamal tradition, her concerts are marked by strong adherence to classicism. She has also benefited greatly from other mentors in music, Sangeeta Kala Acharya, Sri Bombay Ramachandran, Sangeeta Kalanidhi, K.S. Narayanaswamy, and Padma Shri Shri Kunnakudi Vaidyanathan. Geeta ji is an A-grade artist of All India Radio Chennai and in addition presenting concerts in India and overseas. She has explained Indian music to audiences in Europe and the USA. Some of her prestigious appearances, including performances at the Smithsonian Institute and Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts in Washington, D.C. and the Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival. Critics have commented on her resonant voice, fidelity to Shruti, and clarity of diction. She has been awarded the Kalaimamani title from the government of Tamil Nadu in 2006, the Asthana Vidushi title from Sringeri Sharada Peetham in 2001, and has won many awards from important music organizations in Chennai and other places in India. Geeta ji has sung in prominent recording companies and released a number of CDs. She's equally at home singing classical composition, Ragam Tanam Pallavis, Padams and Javalis, as well as devotional songs like Abhangs and Bhajans. With this said, I would like to welcome our esteemed chief guest for this evening, Kalaimamani Srimati Geeta Raja. Welcome to you, Srimati Geeta Raja. Namaskarams to you.
Sorry, Geeta ji, if you could release your mute, please.
Now is it okay?
Yes, yes,
Can you hear me?
Yes, get that.
Okay,
Start
okay.
from the beginning. Thank you.
I'll come from the beginning. So thank you so much, Shobana Sujit Kumar and your wonderful team for inviting me to be the chief guest today in your 9th anniversary celebrations. I deem it a great honor to be amongst you and celebrate this milestone with you. SR Fine Arts, which is an abbreviation for this lovely name, Sri Ranga Ramanuja Mahadeshikan Fine Arts, founded by Srimati Shobana in April 2012, is one of the important organizations in the Bay Area, California, doing a lot of service to encourage upcoming talent by providing a valuable platform to display their skills. I have had the opportunity to participate in the inaugural function, as Shobana told you, and have been a judge in the competitions, and I've had the pleasure to attend many functions. My elder daughter Aditi stays in California, and I visited the Bay Area very frequently. And each time, Shobana ji makes it a point to visit me and to invite me to the programs conducted by SRFA. We all know that the last year has seen a sea change in all our lives. The pandemic, which is raging everywhere, has affected the world of arts in a big way. Virtual concerts have become the norm, and in many ways, the world is shrinking, and technology is bringing everyone together. In this sphere of activity, I have seen the marvelous work that SRFA is doing. They have organized more than almost 400 online concerts, which is a stupendous achievement. I must congratulate the great team you have, President Shri Ravi Ranganathan, Vice President Srimati Jayashree Raja, and the Secretary Srimati Vidya Sanandan, who have all worked together to ensure that the online concerts happen without any hitch. And I know this firsthand because some of my students have participated in the online concerts, and I have been quite amazed at the meticulous instructions which are sent out by WhatsApp to each student. Hats off to the entire committee. I would like to share at this juncture some general thoughts on Carnatic music. We all know that Carnatic music has a very strong spiritual background. It is considered to be a kind of yoga, another yoga. Various musical instruments have been associated with divinities. Shiva plays the damaru or the drum. Goddess Saraswati has a veena in her hand, the yard. Lord Krishna plays the kural, the flute. Bhakti is paramount in our music. And Indian music, in addition to being recognized as raga music, is also therefore a means to spiritual upliftment. And here is where organizations like yours, SRFA, contribute towards society. Making youngsters learn music and the arts is a very beautiful way to make them better human beings. I strongly believe in that. Carnatic music has been enriched by the compositions of inspired composers and Vagayakaras like Purandara Dasa, Annamacharya, Narayana Tirtha, the Trinity, consisting of Tyagaraja Swami, Dikshitar, and Shastri, Uthakadi Venkatakavi, and so on. And they have given us thousands of immortal songs. When the young minds are taught these lyrics, full of bhava and exalted meanings, we are contributing to their welfare and happiness and making them better human beings. When concerts are organized by institutions like yours, it is an immense help to these young musicians. Our sincere thanks should go to all of you. Now a word about Krishna Geetam Performing Arts. KGP Arts is a branch of SR Fine Arts. Established in 2014 in memory of her parents, Shobana's parents, Sri Krishnan and Srimati Geeta Krishnan, to support and promote Indian classical music and dance by providing opportunities to young talent. I really appreciate the devotion and dedication with which Srimati Shobana and her committee are continuously working towards all of these programs. The Bay Area is definitely one of the places in the USA where Indian art and culture is nurtured and propagated in a very big way. I wish her and her team members the strength and focus to keep doing this good work continuously. Art flourishes only with support and patronage from organizations like SRFA. Let me take this opportunity to convey my best wishes and blessings in all your endeavors. May you continue to serve the cause of music and dance in a land which is far away from India. I'm sitting here in India and I'm able to talk to all of you, which is the greatness of technology. May you continue to serve music and dance in the land, the USA, where you are all sitting. You're doing a great job. And I wish to say my namaskarams and thank you to everyone. God bless.
Shobana?
Namaskaram, Srimati Anu Suresh. We are extremely happy that you have accepted our invitation to be guest of honor for our 9th anniversary. It's a special privilege and personal honor for me as Anu is my cousin. She has stood by me and helped me a lot when I started SRFA in 2012. Anu sang for SRFA's 2nd anniversary, a concert dedicated to my mother. She also presided for my mother's memorial concert in the year 2019 and sang the invocation song for the event. Her disciples have not only performed regular concerts in SRFA, but also have been a part of festivals and anniversary events. Currently, they are performing on our online platform as well. A brief profile about Srimati Anu Suresh. Anuradha Suresh is the founder director of Shruti Swaralaya, a non-profit organization, School for Indian Music and Dance in Fremont, California since 1998. She is a South Indian classical music, also known as Carnatic music instructor, and is passionate about empowering youth through art. With her music, Anu has conducted outreach workshops at the local library and world music forums for South Indian classical music. In addition, she works on wellness workshops and the students focusing on relaxation, breathing, and voice culture techniques. Anu is a board member of Fremont Cultural Arts Council, FCAC. At FCAC, she serves as program coordinator for internship programs. Through this program, Anu trains interns to work on various activities such as juried photo contest, a flash fiction writing contest, to name a few. FCAC interns also volunteers at various events conducted in the city of Fremont. Anu is also an active member of Niles Rotary in Fremont. Anu is an acclaimed Carnatic musician and has won several felicitations and awards. She has served for 4 years at various office bearer positions at South India Fine Arts, SIFA, in Bay Area, California. During her terms as president at SIFA, she brought international artists to perform concerts in the Bay Area. She also worked on youth ensemble and intern programs at SIFA, training them for ushering, ticketing, stage preparation, audiovisual setup, and hospitality. She believes in making a difference in Fremont community through her various community activities and has dedicated her life for the same. She has touched the life of thousands of students to her volunteering and music schools. Through her performances, she has reached out to tens of thousands of Alameda County residents over the years. Anu is a great teacher, mentor, and a role model. Her leadership and compassion have truly enriched the lives of everyone that she has interacted with. Her contributions and dedicated to work to the community was recognized, and she was recently felicitated by Alameda County Arts Commission Leadership Award in the year 2020. Awards and felicitations. 2020 Alameda County Arts Leadership Award. 2020 Alliance for California Traditional Arts Apprentice Mentor Grant. 2019 Sampada Recognition Award for training students in junior and senior certificate program in Carnatic music from Silicon, Andhra, USA. 2019 Community Heroes Award from Assembly Member Council Chu District. And she was also awarded the Best Teacher and TRS Mama Award in the prestigious Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana. With this said, I would like to welcome our esteemed guest of honor for this evening, Srimati Anu Suresh. Namaskaram, Anu Suresh.
நமஸ்காரம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமக. எண்ணுயிர் தந்தளித்தவரை சரணம் புக்கு யான் அடையவே அவர் குருக்கள் நிறை வணங்கி பின்னருளால் பெரும்பூதோர் வந்த வள்ளல் பெரிய நம்பி ஆள வந்தார் மணக்கால் நம்பி நன்னறியை அவர்க்கு உரைத்த உய்யக்குண்டான் நாதமுனி சடகோப்பன் சேனைநாதன் இன்னமுத திருமகள் என்று இவர்களை முன்னிட்டு எம்பெருமான் திருவடிகளை சரணடைந்தேனே. ஸ்ரீ ரங்கராமானுஜ மகாதேசிகன், Fine Arts. Vedanta Desikan's proverb, I just read that. I am so honored and privileged to be part of today's celebration for a lot of reasons. First of all, congratulations to all of you, and congratulations to the Bay Area community for bringing forth such a wonderful organization for the past 9 years. It's a wonderful achievement to start with. I actually remember this. It doesn't feel like 9 years, right, Shobna? It feels like we just started talking about this organization just over a phone call after dinner. And I would be, because I've been in this school, like kind of like, I should say it's a school business for a long time. So I would tell her the do's and don'ts, and I would tell her there's a lot, you have to be very strong. You could get hurt very easily. You know, it's not that easy because we are working with a very, I will say, very sensitive community who have come here and they are trying to have their children perform this art. But by the grace of Perumal Anugraham and your parents' Anugraham and all the well-wishers that you have here in Bay Area and globally, not just in the music student circle, but also in the grand musicians, Vidwans and Vidushis who are there to support you, all of you, you have come to almost a decade, we can say, close to a decade of running this fine arts organization. That's a great achievement. Why is this so personal to me? Like she said, she's my cousin. And when I first spoke to her, I knew Shobana only as Babu Chittapa's daughter. Babu Chittapa and Geeta Chitti's daughter. Nothing more than that. It is just still the same for us. So, and she's Babu Chittapa is my dad's cousin, and that's how we got connected here. But long story short, I want to say one thing. I wanted to say something that Geeta ji has. I mean, I had prepared my speech. It's always bad to go as the second person. Geeta ji, you got lucky that way. So I had to quickly change my speech. So I was going to touch on certain areas that that Geeta ji had touched also. You know, it is arts has no boundaries. Okay, music has no boundaries. And why is this very important? Why is today very important? Because when you learn Carnatic music or any music, the first thing we teach the student is appreciation of music, music appreciation. It's part of the teaching of the art itself. Because if there is nobody to appreciate your music and you're sitting there and singing, yeah, God is going to listen to you. But this is performing arts. Like all my teachers say, this is a performing art. So you want to perform in front of an audience. And to perform in front of an audience, you need someone like SR Fine Arts to be able to give you a platform to do that. And that is why this becomes really important. And secondly, why is this even more important is because I was just looking at certain places, like, for example, Music Academy, right? Before Music Academy started, what was it before that? In 1920s, there were a few people who wanted to start South Indian Academy in Triplicane. And then eventually their history is that it became into a Music Academy. But do you know, none of them, when the first few people were all from, justice system. They were not musicians. They were not musicians. They were Rasikas who believed in making sure that this art was going to be flourishing. And so why this is important is the biggest Rasika of Carnatic music that I can think of is Shobana. To start with being a Rasika, to bring it up to this point, because not only she wanted to listen to good music, she wanted to promote and propagate good South Indian music, Carnatic music, takes from her, her interest and her passion to be a good Rasika. If you don't have good Rasikas, no matter how well you sing, there is no appreciation for what you perform. And the good Rasikas start good organizations, just like how Music Academy started a long time ago. The organizations are the ones who nurture musicians, future musicians, upcoming musicians, budding artists who want to know what it is to sit and sing on a stage. And for that, I want to congratulate you from the bottom of my heart, because there have been so many children whose lives you have touched. So many children whose lives you have touched. And I know when 9 years ago, when the organization started, Ravi was mentioning that there were 17 concerts the first year. But now there is a wait list. You can't just get into SRFA and say you want to perform tomorrow. And what does that speak of all of you, the committee members? Just more than that, what an human service you all have done. You all have done such a tremendous service. Yeah, Geeta ji touched on something very important. How organized all of you are, how communicative you are with every single performer and the accompanist, making sure everybody is ready, everybody tells you what their difficulties are, technical difficulties or whatever it is. So to be part of, not like say, okay, today is your show, just come there or get online, making sure every step of the way that you're taken care of, So to the point, we don't have to worry about it. If it is SR Finance, we know that we will be constantly reminded of everything. So we are like, okay, if it is some other online program, or I'm not naming anything or anything like that. I'm just saying if it is another online program, you're probably going to worry about how am I going to get into it? How am I going to start that? But with SRFA, no worries. You know for sure that she's going to be there and making sure that everything is taken care of. SRFA has been recognized for a lot of things, and Ravi and Jayashree have been talking about the kind of festivals, and Geeta ji also mentioned her participation in competitions and festivals. I just wanted to touch base on a couple of other things. One is about their workshops. I know she has done workshops, that SRFA has done workshops before, and also they have also had a special mention in KQED about being part of the South Asian music. There was a special mention in public broadcasting system about this also. And that is another major achievement, to start off 9 years ago, not knowing where this journey is going to take, where this path is going to take. And then eventually come to the part where, you are recognized by KQED. It's a big, big achievement. And congratulations to that also for all that. Now, one more area I just wanted to tell you is like, when we first were talking about it, Shobana had certain visions about how this had to happen. But when my students started going in, I was telling her about certain things like, it may not always work for the students to come with concert level preparation. There might be students who can sing clearly a good set of kritis, like Geetaji was talking about the importance of lyrical value in Carnatic music. There are students who can just present brightly certain kritis, in a concert format. And where do they go? Right? Where do they start? They need to start somewhere. And without any hesitation, Shobana took my student the very next month and she gave her a slot. And I will never forget that, because that was really important to have that platform also for students who are not at Manodharmam level, but can sing a very nice concert put together. So she encouraged them at that point. And also, I came to this country in the 80s, and then the growth of Carnatic music was pretty small at that time. There were not a whole lot of organizations who would encourage local artists, local students. There were organizations which would have for musicians coming from India, but there were few organizations who were upcoming, and they were also kind of settled at that time. But I would say that SR Fine Arts came with such a vision that it evolved into another step of Krishna Geetam also, and I'm so happy it has Geeta Chitti's name on that. She did that right away. And I know it is Krishna Geetam. For us, Babu Chittappa is Babu Chittappa. We cannot call him Krishna Chittappa at any point. So I would say that. Last but not the least, I know that I met Shobana's mom a few years ago in Andavan Ashramam when we were doing a celebration for my uncle, Justice M. Srinivasan, and Manasa was singing there. And that was the last time I met her, and she came and listened to Manasa and she gave her blessing. And I'm sure that blessing has been passed on here to all of you. And for years to come, for centuries, this is going to stay on. And this is one thing that I've been told by a friend, that you start something knowing that the result may not be something that we'll see in your lifetime, but the result will continue on, and it will be promoting success for generations to come. And that's what you all have created. And congratulations, kudos, and blessings, and best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be part of this wonderful festival. Thank you again.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much for the nice speech and acknowledging my parents as well. Very touching. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to welcome the Secretary of the organization, Vidya Sanandan, to render the vote of thanks.
Namaskaram, everyone. Thank you, Shobna. We would like to thank Kalaimamani, Srimati Geeta Raja, and Srimati Anu Suresh for participating in the 9th anniversary celebration and gracing the occasion. Please continue to support all the performing artists as you have always been doing. All our Facebook live concerts are now available on YouTube, Sri Ranga Ramanujam Mahadesikan Fine Arts. Please subscribe to the same and watch and enjoy the concerts. Kindly like our page, Sri Ranga Ramanujam Mahadesikan Fine Arts. SRFA is a non-profit organization. If you would like to donate through SRFA, you can do it on FB, Facebook, or you can contact our director, Srimati Shobana Sujit Kumar. You can pay via PayPal or check. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. And thank you for watching.
Namaskar.